Hello guys, do you know that you can make money online just by sharing posts on WhatsApp? You remember those old days you share posts on WhatsApp without getting paid? Or you watch people WhatsApp status without getting paid? What if I tell you that there is a new way to make money online just by sharing posts on WhatsApp status? Would you want to learn how that trick is being done? Before I actually explain how it's been done, look at the past payments for people that are already in that. At the past payments of those who have joined this amazing platform. Look at before we even get started. Look at the dates, okay, and look at the notes. All right. So you also look at the bank they used to send it. That is Flutterwave. Okay. Now, let me show you the other ones. This is another one again. The person received about 10,000, 850. Another one again, about 6,008. Another one again, 16,250. And another one again, which is about 13,900. All they just do is to share posts on WhatsApp and likewise Facebook, and they get what paid on daily basis. So making 40 to 100,000 monthly is possible. If you want to know how that is done, please message me on WhatsApp and I will give you the 100% trick how this is being done. All right guys, see you soon. Bye for now.